Okay, next day. Oh yeah, one of these jack shafts is good. See, hold on. Oh wait, yeah, it's good. I thought it was the bad one because it was rubbing on the floor. This one. Hold on. Put her in the vise. It's pretty bad. Yeah. Junk. Gotta bang the bearings out. And these ones are still good. It's off that one, but I'm gonna use it on here because I thought the torque converters were bad wherever they went in that box right there on the seat. I thought they were bad, but they might have a chance. Cause I thought, come on, I thought when it was, that is a sign, but it's not a bad lip. So I'm gonna try it. And the only reason I say and do that is because I cleaned them out already, but you can, little pits there where rust bubbles were there, and I chipped them off and ground it with a grinder, not a cutting wheel. See that? Junk. That's called Northeast, and rust we trust. Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry about the radio. Yeah. Alright. Another several part video. I have to keep track because I don't have a video editor yet. Daily or slacking? No, I just haven't seen him in a while. Well, today, but he hasn't been over for a little while. And we always forget. Whatever. Got the bolts over here. Over there. Use these. Brand new Castle nuts. Thanks to Dad's shelf of shish over there. And go here and here. In the back too, right here, where it's squared off. One fight. Cool. That works. Alright, I'm gonna try and die. I don't know if you can even see me. Hey, saw. Oh, it's on the tire. Saw. Yeah. Oh, where can I put this? Oh. Alright, well, getting back to work on this. I'll catch you in the next video, I guess, which will also be uploaded tonight, I promise.